Guys, we are back. Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon. As always, it is so great to see you. Friends, we're going to be talking about one of the most common questions that we get by far, and that is, what camera should I buy? Now, guys, obviously, there's no single camera that's ideal for every single photographer. However, there are some things that you can look for that will help you get the best camera for your needs. Now, we're going to jump into today's topic momentarily. But first, guys, I want to thank you all for subscribing to the channel. The growth that we have seen over the last year to this channel has been absolutely remarkable. Now, if this is your first time to the channel, thank you very much for dropping by. I want to encourage you to go down below and hit that little subscribe button. That way you're going to be kept in the loop with all of our upcoming videos. Additionally, by subscribing, you're going to fulfill one of the things that you need to do to be eligible for our monthly giveaways that we have every single month. And guys, we have some pretty cool prizes. So get down there, hit that little subscribe button, and you're off to the races. With that said, pull up a seat and let's go. Now, the first thing that you need to consider when choosing a camera is your skill level. Now, if you're brand new to photography and have never taken a photo with anything other than your phone, friend, you don't need to buy a $3,500 professional camera. Don't do it. You don't need it. Similarly, if you just want to take snapshots and aren't all that interested in learning how to control a camera, hey, a big fancy camera isn't something that you need. Instead, you might think about a compact camera that doesn't require you to change a bunch of camera settings or change out the lenses. On the other hand, if you have some photography experience, or if you want to learn how to do things like, for example, change the aperture, the shutter speed, the ISO, friends, a entry-level DSLR or a mirrorless camera is worth considering. You can find an excellent beginner camera for a few $100, and they often include a kit lens. Now, you don't need to spend a huge amount of money if you want to get a camera that you can learn and grow over the next few years. The second tip for choosing the right camera is to choose something that's easy to carry for you. Now, for some of you, this means investing in a small point-and-shoot camera, something that you can slip into your pocket. For others, a mirrorless camera with an interchangeable lens might be just right for fitting into your backpack. Now, if you don't mind carrying around a heavier load, a big DSLR with an interchangeable lens could be a better option. And considering that DSLRs are being passed up by mirrorless, that also means you might be able to find a better deal on DSLR cameras. So focus less on things like how many megapixels a camera has and focus more on its size and its weight. The point is that you need a camera that you're willing and able to carry with you a lot. After all, it's hard to take photos if you don't have your camera with you. A third tip to follow when shopping for a camera is this. If you want an interchangeable lens camera, spend more money on the lenses, not the camera body. I'm going to repeat that. Spend more money on the lenses, not the camera body. You know, friend, at the end of the day, a entry-level DSLR with a high-end lens is going to help you get better image results than a high-end camera with a low-end lens. Think about it this way. The optics in a high-end lens are far superior to those in a kit lens that come with the entry-level camera. So, if you want better images, prioritize buying better lenses. Friends, this is by far one of my favorite tips on this list. Buy used. Consider buying used. Since we have established it's smart to prioritize better lenses, buying them used can help you get more bang for your buck. You're getting more mileage out of that dollar. Now, the same thing goes for the camera as well. Guys, you can pick up a camera that's a year or two old and save more money than you might think. But just keep this in mind. Try to avoid places like eBay and Craigslist when buying used cameras. Instead, go to places like MPB or Adorama that have a solid reputation for used gear, especially companies like MPB. This is their whole existence. circles around used quality photography gear. A final word, don't discount the camera that you already have. Now, most of you likely have a smartphone that's probably in your pocket as you're watching this video, or heck, you may be watching this video on that very smartphone. And that has, assuming it's within the last 3 to 5 years, means that you have a powerful camera in your pocket, in your hands already. Now, before you plunk down a bunch of money on a new camera, use your smartphone to learn the fundamentals of composition, framing, developing your creative eye. And once you outgrow the capability of your phone, then my friend, invest in a new camera. My friend, that is it. I hope you find these tips helpful in your search for finding the right camera for your needs. Now, if you still aren't sure what camera to get, drop a comment down below and I'll be happy to offer you some more detailed advice. Now, let's get down to the business of discussing our current giveaway. Here are the batch of prizes that we have this time around. A ViewSonic 38-inch VP3881 curved monitor, a Peak Design 30L everyday backpack, and a f-stop diode 20 backpack. Now, as always, entering the giveaway is really simple. Step 1, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Step 2, leave a comment below. In fact, the more of our videos that you watch and leave a comment on, friend, the more chances that you have to win. So get down there and leave some comments, or watch some videos and leave some comments. Step 3, register on PhotographyTalk and introduce yourself in the forum. Now, if you registered on the site and introduced yourself during one of the last giveaways, friend, you're still eligible to win. But as we keep saying, swing on by, let us know what's cooking along with you, and we would love to see him. Friend, that is it. For complete details on the giveaway, including how to register on the site and how to say hello in the forum, check out the description below. Good luck. All right, guys, this video is a wrap. What's funny about this one, not really funny, but PhotographyTalk has been around for 11 plus years. During that time of running this company, this is one of the most common questions that we see over and over and over again. So many people, especially now, I think with COVID, people are at home. People are looking for things to do. People are exploring into photography. And so we've seen over the last year, definitely a lot more people inquiring about what camera should I get. So this video is a tad bit overdue. So I hope it was very valuable to you. Now, with that said, it's that time of the video where I'm going to ask you to do all that YouTube stuff. So hit the like button down below if this video helped you out, or if you were mildly entertained. If you're currently not subscribed to the channel, hell, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, kick that bell to be notified each time that we come out with a new video. My friends, I'm going to be jumping off here, so you get out there, stay healthy, and create your best shot.